In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the demo company in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or looking to explore its features without making any changes to your live data, accessing the demo company can be a valuable way to practice and experiment in a risk-free environment. Let's walk through the process together so you can easily navigate and take full advantage of this handy tool. First, start by making sure you're logged into your Xero account. On the Xero dashboard, turn your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the name of your current organization displayed right there. This is your starting point. Click on your organization name, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. This menu lists the various options and settings available to you related to organization management in Xero. Navigating this drop-down is intuitive, but it's important to focus on finding just the right link for our next step. From this drop-down menu, you're going to want to click on the option labeled My Xero. This takes you to an overview related to your Xero account where you can manage your personal settings, subscriptions, and organizations. This is the hub where you can keep track of everything you're involved with on Xero. As you explore this page, direct your attention to finding the hyperlink that reads, Try the Demo Company. It's designed to be transparent and easily accessible, ensuring that users like you can locate it without any hassle. Simply click on this hyperlink. This action won't affect your live company data or require any additional permissions, making it a safe and straightforward navigational step. And there you are. You're now in the Demo Company section. Here, you can explore and utilize various features within Xero as if you're operating in a real company setting. You can simulate transactions, edit invoices, manage contacts, and more, all without impacting your real data. This experience is perfect for training purposes or for experimenting with different Xero functionalities before applying them to your actual organization. So, that's all it takes to access the demo company in Xero. It's an incredibly straightforward process that can open the door to learning and mastering the platform at your own pace. Remember, working in the demo company ensures that your explorations remain isolated, keeping your main data intact and untouched. Enjoy exploring all that Xero has to offer without any worries, and make the most out of your learning journey.